yɛma adɔfoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ nyinaa akɔaba ɛde ba Fache TV so sɛdeɛ yɛgu so na yɛde videos ne yɛn programs bebree ɛbrɛ mu no ɛnɛ nso nyame adom yɛhyia a yɛba abɛsua adeɛ na afei aboa me no ɛne nti sɛ wo nsa ka yɛ video a ɛyɛ Fache TV kɔ YouTube a ɛyɛ Fache TV wo nsa ka yɛ video a na wa subscribe na afei wa share Facebook nso wobɛtumi follow yɛ ɛyɛ Fache TV na ɛnɛ nso nyame adom yɛhyia mu a yɛbɛsua adeɛ a ɛfa mpaebɔ ne akɔnkye no fasting and prayers and inti nyame adom manya tishifo mi no ha yene omo eba besua ade no said osofo de yete hu no ha no gugu da wono na ja osofo pastor Crunchy and afi o we che ha obeboy na afi yesua ade a pese sua fa akɔnkye ne mpaebɔ and then so yenya opani ba ko a oye evangelist Daniel Aje Esiama ya ono na oti itihoro ono so ebeboa yen ama yetumi asua ade a yebesua ne de no wo kwashi abetimi de akọ question session no ase empanyimfo ebeboa na afi omoyi ano ama wo saka e video a yesho se subscribe na afi share emaye aniti beto nsa frɛ evangelist na wabɔ mpaye tiawa na afi ye de adwumadie no ahye ase
yo we mpaye inyame ya wo so na abɔ ho ba ade wasem si yemfa wo sem ko wiase nyina akonya wo dia ma wo mane e pai wo se show gene nyina na ma wa tie fons ko omutia enye nuso aso pa ne nyina ka mo yesi ho atwa ma yeto so yelo ne pai bo ne bisade ni wo Yesu Kristo din amen
amen enti evangelist mo akwa ba
ya ija
osofo nso
ejoso
yo anenti ene de yebesua ho ade no yese akɔnkyene ene mpaebɔ yɛta kasa yese o Kristo ni wakɔdeɛ ene mpaebɔ na quotations no bi ɛyɛ Mark 9:29 a wɔse Jesus Christ ka kyerɛ asuafoɔ no sɛ adeɛ bi wɔ hɔ a na de ban no agye akɔnkyene ene mpaebɔ nko a na betu quotations no bebree Esther ɛyɛ akɔnkyene Daniel ka Daniel 9 and also oya country ni before Bible no bebree a country no ene Bible no eko na de ebesua ho ade no the effect of a country no ene asunsun sanso ne nyema a wo se ye ene nti yen hya ase no mebisa elder say ye ka say fasting na den
mo with us yo we can fasting na fasting if you know na country
okay
say wo ne ba de 18 komo babra wo yi edi afrim enti fasting no e bi ne say wangasa wo yi ho esi wo say wo ne ba de 18 komo na honhom mo yini ti no wo be say e bi a very distractive enti wo yi aduane afrim e bi nso ne say wangasa wa commit wo say wangasa no wo we na so aduane no wa yi voku na me honhom aba wo so and so fasting fasting is the dedication to a period of time to devote oneself to spiritual clarity or prayer without food. Would the so say we can be doing na sa bra me din komo Nyankopon na clarity. Maybe sadie e hia me chance the biant no. Me aduane na the biant ma me Nyankopon tell. It make me need it me fun to one no na come che ma ko be brave. Se be a blessing e be chere no so.
Mate. Evangelist, you better was anyone we. Also for my member also say evangelist a chere mu fasting no said you sit here kakra you say be say amba so bi na ma member also say e ka say mpaebɔ a ene de
bedase ya kasa mpaebɔ a tiawa asuafo no ebisa rabbi ɔkyerɛkyerɛfo sɛ ɔkyerɛkyerɛfo yi kyerɛ yɛ mpaebɔ ɛna Yesu ɛne asuafo no ne church Yesu church no ɔbɛbuild no ɔteyɛ no ɔdo ɔtena ase sɛ me ne magya ne nkronkron yɛ baako enti mo pɛ bibi ebisa afiri yɛn trinity no hɔ a nsɛm a yɛ a wɔn kan kyerɛ ni mo ka kyerɛ mpɛ yɛbɛyɛ ama that's the prayer Matthew chapter 6 verse 12 also enti sɛ mo bɔ mpae a mo ka sɛ yɛn agya wɔ soro wodi no ho ntew wɔ ahenni no mmra deɛ wɔpɛ ɛnyɛ wɔ soro sɛnea yɛ wɔpɛ nyɛ wɔ asase so sɛnea yɛ wɔ soro no yɛn dada ntina meka no ma yɛn daadaa aduane nnɛ na fa yɛn aka free yɛn obobɔ baase na memfa yɛn nkɔ nsuhwe wei ne mpaebɔ Emma a common the year. No one fire because I saw a common. Or so on as some deal. It's Yanya pair or so. Into mobile fire, Munkasa, remember common the year. And my young Quaman, you. I feel so, the beada may be an na or say, now Munkasa. On fire cat and free, Nanko on fire bonny and chair, and so or the bonny child, and you also for free near or the Wakano. It's a body yes to church, senior, yet share and pieball. We are not the set. What did send powerful so when you know, tell one day I'm most sure dance so Edmund that's it.
So for Yamisha, Evangelist Mamma Simon should be. Now, who can analyze and go here to types of fasting I want, but why
na answer me for me for the pastor you know once empire no empire say wole onyame tumi bi a date bi e kasa nti wo aye Kristo de no woni ame de din komo empire bo bi also bo so no empire
yeah
empire ye say woni tumi bi e kasa tumi bi fi say o tumi chen wo say wo butu na ko asoma kire no na empire bo iku say on kasa kwa akasa amedite kwa
yeah
in empire but the empire pastor dey very true so one empire no so we need to me be kasa na so we catch no and empire but okay here fasting so either you say here fasting so you ma go do bebre
yeah
fasting ba ko pe your Daniel fast ho na your fast na obey ya one empire all right be di ba obedi na bi be selection oni na be di e bi a me nam e bi a me ni ade de bia e bi a me de beita so ngo a me fasting. Another fasting we say there, ebia medi fruits ngwa. I don't say fasting.
Okay.
Ebo also gba bono fasting wa me ye gwa there. Me say me hwe me ko social media so. Because fasting na say o pese o twe free we ase ho na be nyame. Ntade bia esiana mu bia e ma woni nyi akopon ho na say di o mre woni akopon che no. Who if you have my fasting? It could be say and let me TV grande. My favorite program para me what's yana it is not fasting but fasting no go back go agree you want so here dry fasting and the issue here no in nsuo unu nsuo uni di onye hwe but fasting so no say wo here fasting no do han to dwom when nsuo atrosem amon paya na kwa starvation and you fasting no come na wo chire come kwa Bible say fasting party he said pabo bem empire bem na wo to dwom na we sare ba na sare na kwa akomchire example we can count fasting no say I don't go fasting no say once we are say no honam na hom na wi akon
yeah
what I say na enti na ho ade ne be din kunim enti fasting so ya dey say wo starve ne be bia no I reach home what I say because me no me be konjo kwa na me ho ode cha me bo asa enti no say ebra me to dwom na me sua trostem na me bomba ye no na me be ho ma bian ene sare man wona mo so bian ne ade morning ambesie no enti bra wo starve wona no na ma ho na hode enti no so fasting say o ye o build it ho no na wo wiki wona no e ba sa dia na ho no abedi wona no so
okay
sa nya sa dia wo ho no abe ye mre ho na no abedi ho no so because o fidi wona no o fidi ho enti em so fasting
evangelist ebedo wase osofo wo de bibi beka ho
I the opening cano in the yard. Your fasting, there's so many types of fasting. Intimate my fasting. Very happy, but then I'm fasting. Come to a one. We couldn't have it, but me one. But the fasting, okay. Then in a womb one. Now the white be a senior, said. Say they be or coming to acquire me one as soon as Mayfield. And my mini uncle point them no any cruise. It's all come here, me one. I'm so fast.
But of Yamisha, with a simple pa. That's it. And ye be a me fan say be a yema when it's home. And I said, what tired. We see one quite let's say purposely for say only America.
Yes.
Sadly,
if he says rather, you can fast from sex.
And also, of
course.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Bible say ono some one paya but to many say maybe no munhia
and I will say not there say bet to me
aye
na to me
oh
me na o ye bo e fasting o say bet to me
The better
na want me and send your bon some so mo hweti monda
the time can say sex crowd fasting
was a cry.
ada ho baba
the can say sex crowd fasting
Yo.
What is the
and all your sis so much me
Martin, you
Wonderful. Ma me misa osofo say ye ka say ebia say obi aye akwankyere and obi nso a wanya akwankyere and wa bompai without akwankyere say na eti say ye bompai without akwankyere effective and I say effective.
Okay, me that say it depends in the dream. A dream or the yes for example, Daniel fasting on empire now or boy, you know. Na ejina bibi so na hu wom. Se Nyankopon ama me answer ya, e dia na beto me. Enti ya me ko Nyankopon ni maka je se bari kire me da ye yase ntimi ni di. No de no ho to wa pa na nyame kire na se. Enti se me so me bo mpaya e depending ya me hwehwe afri Nyankopon nchen. And make me fasting. But no so just said or fasting no empire kosoro e chen ya onya fasting no. Se bibi to wa e na ye di ebi wa ha ye di ehu eni so e fasting. For example, me wa ha nyina me nsum nyame ye me bom paye coronavirus ye me a o se me ye fasting se nyame be sam yare. Omfi.
Sir.
Oh yes.
Na de osofu so omfi wo dia. Na de o ka say adie bi wo ho a Mark 9:29 o ka say adie bi wo ho a na de ban no aje pa boni akonche nti say de wo kan ye question ya mebe o nya botere pa asa wo ya ka say de wo kan ya say me nsum nya me yi ba konya ya de na say ma konya wo ha obi e na afi de mehu say nya me e no betumi aje me ma nko bo so nchen na ma ba urade nchen be bompa ya na wo si wuntia na da say asa na nyame wa nya fe enti osofo sa bra bi
When I can't say you go why you said the ban
Jesus Christ
with contents which contents see na esua foi akobọ mpaye ye ni Yesu nam dia se ne niam a wo ye ne se betire ade a wo ntimo no but untumi no wura nya pe enti omokobo na amfa no no report no ba na se hwe ade we na de ban gise mpaebo no okai no esuafo na nkasa no mo kontokwa omumu na Yesu oka enkabom ho asem ene de akire esuafo no Yesu kra no ba asase no ye fasting one day by 40 days no ye fasting na him bio na hu so osan ye fasting and also just say me ye fasting na esuafo no enkabom du o nja o otu o se mo ye baako na mo hye na bom pa ya mi nya me pa ho central
Asa ko bedo ase na say elder
na me ya beka
come on they only say I want to say a very important thing we are saying so me shall be praying Christo ni bia ejitu me say prayer is not an option.
Okay.
Christo ni bia ni Christo fonko kemofo hindufo obi onya su na bia nim say prayer there is not an option. And so boy command pray without season. You know I know I can't say you want to know. So I know I can't say bompai remember. It's the empire body a compulsory because say by force. But fasting there. I want to choose to look by fasting. Things can say I do way the opposite unya power there. And so I fasting.
Okay.
And the fasting, you know, I give you my friend said fasting is the most powerful force in prayer.
All right.
Fasting no go to bompai but ya na ketua no entai bebre ma.
Okay.
But fasting there say ka say dia dance ya abe ho fasting you the bompai ya come chire ka ho a na nyame so ni abre. Ne me can say me who be we fasting na we dry fasting na we jaye akoko be leader. Because that time no the flesh is very weak. Who what the flesh no. The entire body nyina ne say who bia no e dey check. It's because the effects of fasting. One they say fasting will take the body or the flesh and place it under the spirit.
Okay.
If you put your fasting and my home no be your body check no. You want to share on control. Control. Two, fasting. So fasting doesn't change God, but fasting changes in who prays. So when you fasting, fasting doesn't change God. You may be very when I want pay on Saka and Saka. And the fasting, you are fasting, it won't change God. But it will change the person who is fasting. Okay. It means because fasting any option, maybe on one pay on your fasting. But one pay come on your fasting. Fasting is very important. 3, fasting increases our spiritual capabilities. So we are fasting, we're powerful. We are fasting, we're very powerful. The fasting, no must be brain. I mean to has said, Obeso yes and Chenia, Obeso breaky bondage. To kind of say, Side you will go out there. Also command home fee if you move by and pay 1 year enough. Because yes, so it was so near doubt to be but fasting will remove the doubt from you. To be a GDA, what I say now. Fasting breaks habit and spiritual bondage. The come to the bomb by year about it will break any spiritual bondage.
Okay.
Fasting quiets the heart and calms your spirit. Okay. Who are fasting? Am I calm? As a matter of fact, Bible can say, if my people who are called by my name will humble myself, so I'm humility a fasting. Okay. What I say now? What I say, if my people who are called by my name will humble themselves, pray and seek my face, so humble yourself there and you're fasting. What if I say, that's what brain wants a fasting. Manasi kuma Isaiah. Say, Yamade Manas Bonicher, or say Manas Bompire a opportunity. And every time you pray, you fast, you humble yourself. The opportunity is very important, but people don't do because of force.
Okay. Madam Penny for your sake. Na yebreno ayebe minim se ye de part 2 ebeka ho say addition ayede na kamemfa we ntwato
yo
say eda na wona kana wo question na duru so say who supposed to do fasting why not was it
yes a very important a very important question bebre o ga aso mu e fasting and bra yebi what I say na be phone call me no draw me no fasting. But okay, quotation we no Joel 2:12 and to 17. Every cast on fasting was say and come to 24 in fasting. So we are why they cry, so we are why they cry, we are going to cry few about fasting. Oko kind of Jordan the other so. You know so and so and one year fasting and the fasting I woman not understand say and cry in a be painful ye be situation will be fasting will be. So before you for no man be no only fasting be. The fasting no see you fasting you feel more or how we say fasting obi aye bi. But I say fasting no because say e ye compulsory no be enye. Okay. But I say fasting dey Christo ni be woni abre so breaking bondage na spiritual habits in there. Fasting between say you say say you wey there on uti was covered na Matthew 17:21. Was a sad day way that the ban all the 5 hearing and he said I want to come to that's the deal.
Better and very for us say your tone suffer mo to me buy and afi and you make any addition but the way me catch it for say the part 2 and so ebeka ho baby o ho yen to me so enti better was in so saka video na wa subscribe na afi wa share Fachet TV afi wo ko Facebook nso a Fachet TV. I mean, some kind of TV so say, Yameboa enter cry, be who also for our life.
Amen.
Our life, live Facebook and YouTube, you know, also for Ebeba, we hear Okoha, so Ubitime Hono. And it's your family King Solomon. Yet I was a same video. Yame on coming on our Facebook, bye bye.